Doing a service on a 1.2 Renault Clio, oil and air filter. Just starting out by warming it up. Wait till it's a good temperature to change the oil out. Alright, so it's warmed to temperature now, so we can start and turn it off and drain the oil. Alright, so need an 8mm like special tool for the sump on this car. Make sure you got your oil catcher underneath. It's hard to do one-handed. Then okay. Lovely. Quite clean actually. Only got changed not so long ago, so. Here's some tissue or something. Cheers.
Oh.
Oh yeah, no, cheers. Alright, now we need to take the oil filter off. There's the oil filter right down there. So, probably be easier if you took this wheel off, but yeah. So I'll take that off. There it is. Be able to Jesus. Oh, it's coming off. There we go. Right, so it's pretty much stopped draining, so put a new crush washer on your sump plug and then screw it back in. And tighten it down. Alright, sump plug's back on. Then you get your new oil filter. Put a bit of oil around the seal. Then this one you can just fill it up so it doesn't take as long. So you just want to fill the oil up. And put it back on. You're able to just do it sideways, Mish. Should do it, just tilt it sideways, should be alright. There we go, that's a technique. Yeah, that should do the job. And just make sure that's nice and tight. good. Well, that's interesting. Well, there's no coolant in the oil, so hopefully that's not a serious concern. It does look like one though. Right, well, we cleaned that out. Hopefully you do not see any of that in your oil reservoir, because that's not what you want to see. And just fill her up. Right. Check the dipstick. Okay, wipe it off for us. Let's have a look then. Oh, it looks bang on there. Just out the engine, that might move about a bit. Right, just want to clean up your workspace, check for leaks, make sure everything's alright. The leaks are out. Start her up, top her up if you need to. Pretty straightforward. Just let it warm up a bit and then check the oil again, make sure the levels are right. And then that's it, good to go. Do the air filter next. I'll just show you what we're working over here as well. The beamer and bits. Do some glow plugs. Got some sensor down here that we need to fuck about with. Don't know how we're going to manage that one, but that'll go. Doing an oil change. It's only had the cabin filter and air filter, so yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Right, let's get this thing off.
Just keeps getting fucking...
I need a flathead. Oh, yeah. And then some torque bits. Just 4 screws, T25 bit. Cool. Right, now you take this off. Get your old filter out. It's not even in bad shape really. Get your new one. Shove that in there. Put that back on. Make sure it's seated. Then put all the screws back in. Straightforward. Right. So that's sorted. Tighten that up. So get a flathead. There we go, that's it. All serviced. Nice and easy.